a little bit more conversion practice, just with different units, not always kilograms to mass, liters to ounces, etc. Liters to gallons, grams to ounces, and that can continue on. Conversions, dimensional analysis goes on and on and on with so many different types of problems. Pure gold is usually too soft for jewelry, so it is often alloyed with other metals. How many gold atoms are in a 0.255 ounce 18 karat gold bracelet? 18 karat gold is 75% by mass. So let's pick this apart. Given 0.255 ounces, 18 karat gold bracelet. Also given that 18 karat is 75% gold by mass, so basically 75 grams. Want gold atoms. Okay, so immediately when I see atoms, I think of Avogadro's number. So I'm just going to write 1 mole is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. There's nothing else that gives me atoms, so I know that I will need to use that as a conversion factor at some point. Then, because I have moles with atoms and nowhere else gives me moles, I'm also going to assume that I will need to use the molar mass of gold. So I'm going to go to the periodic table and write the molar mass of gold, which is 196.97 grams per mole gold. All right. So now we got to pick it apart. One more thing that I see is grams, but I'm given ounces. So let me look up the conversion factor between ounces to grams. 1 ounce is equal to 28.35 grams. Okay, so now let's see. Let's start with the 0.255 because that's really the first piece of information given. So 0.255 ounces of bracelet. And I want to figure out how much that is in grams times my conversion factor, 28.35 grams per 1 ounce is equal to 7.32 grams of the bracelet. I'm just going to abbreviate. All right. So I already know that I have in the 18 karat bracelet is 75% gold by mass. So now I know how much mass I have of the bracelet, 7.32 grams, and I want to figure out how much gold. So I take my 7.32 grams of the bracelet, multiply it by the percent mass. So if the total is 75%, you can always assume it's over 100 grams. So 75 grams gold over 100 grams of the bracelet. Then since you have one more step of wanting atoms, you would convert to moles using the molar mass. So grams bracelet go away, grams gold go away, and then you use your Avogadro's number because you go back and realize you want atoms. And that comes out to be 1.66 times 10 to the 22nd atoms of gold. So again, you realize that you're given a particular mass of an entire thing. So in this case, that was a bracelet. And this bracelet has 75% mass of gold, which means that 75 grams gold over 100 grams bracelet. So then you say, all right, so if I want to isolate for my mass of gold, I need to get rid of my mass for my bracelet. So I have to convert ounces bracelet to grams. then convert grams bracelet to grams gold. And then I'm in gold and then just going to atoms. So then converting the grams of atoms to moles, the grams of gold to moles to atoms. So just a little plan.